Mm. Hello, traders. Welcome back on our live trading session. This is our second session today. Let me know if everything is working, if you can hear me, if you can see me. Okay, I will wait just a few seconds. Then we're going to start. Okay, guys, it looks like everything is working, so we can start our live trading session. This morning, we were trying to find some opportunities. Unfortunately, we didn't open any position. We had few different plans. We're gonna go through those plans because maybe we're gonna have opportunity on Euro USD. We might be able to enter the position. So we're gonna check that in the second. And on today's session, we're gonna focus on price action cycle strategy, which is working the best during US session. And US session just opened. So guys, let's check microeconomic calendar first because we got some news coming up. High impact news. I mean, 230 Canadian dollar employment change and unemployment rate. I don't think we're gonna trade on Canadian dollar, but we can check later if anything's gonna happen. At 4 p.m., so in about 2 hours time, because this is Central East time. 4 p.m. we gonna have a core PCE price index, uh, consumer sentiment, and inflation expectations. So it's quite important. Market might move a bit faster after those hours, but we still got 2 hours. So let's see what can we do in 2 hours time. Okay, good. So let's go back into trading journal. We had two different plans on Euro USD 15 minutes time frame and US dollar and Canadian dollar from 1 hour time frame. So let's have a look at Euro USD. I told you we gonna wait for the breakout, not the breakout. I wanted to see the price stopping at this support resistance zone, but the price went through. Okay, but I think we still can use that kind of setup, but from different place. Okay, we're gonna check that. We're gonna make an update. Remember, you need to be flexible if you got a plan, but the market is doing something else. You can still probably use that plan, but you need to be a bit more flexible. So you need to add few other things because conditions may change, and you can still look for some opportunity. So we're gonna have a look at euro using all-in ASAP strategy, and the other plan was saying that USD CAD should break through resistance zone and retest rotation channel, top of rotation channel, top of bearish rotation channel. Okay, so let's have a look at the chart right here. We have, where is it? Euro. Okay. Euro is still somewhere around that support resistance zone. Okay. So it's not too bad, I would say, because if we it changed a little bit because I thought we're gonna have reaction here. They dropped a little bit lower, which is fine. We can still probably use that kind of setup. I'm gonna draw a resistance line after the breakout. Probably we're gonna wait for the retest and reaction. I'm gonna try to get to the target, which is how many pips away? Around from this place is gonna be around 40 pips. To the target. So I think this might be pretty good, but we need to wait because the price might drop even lower. Okay, this is 15 minutes time frame. All right, so USD CHF, not this one. US dollar, Canadian dollar is slowly breaking through. We need retest and strong bearish reaction. But this is because this is Canadian dollar, we cannot do anything because in about 24 minutes time, we're gonna have some high impact news on Canadian dollar. So the price might drop down straight away. Okay. Let me just check the chat. Michael. Okay. Hello, Michael. Thank you for that. So, guys, let's jump into trading view and let's see what we got over here. We're gonna check futures contract starting from GC, which is gold. What's going on over here? So, guys, using price action cycle, we are looking at current day. Okay, I don't care about previous day. I'm looking at current situation on the market, and we need to start from the beginning of the day. So, what do you think, guys? Do we have trend day today, or is it range day? Let me know. What do you think? I think it's pretty obvious, but let me know. Maybe you got uh, different idea than me. We will see. All right, I'm gonna wait for your answer. 7, 8 a.m. So 8 a.m. was somewhere here. So this is Asian session. So was it range or trend during Asian session? In the morning, we had some kind of range, but you can see the price went straight up. So for me, it's a trend day. Trend to range. No, because you know, Michael, what? Because if we got a situation like this, the price is moving quite fast uh, in bullish, let's say bullish direction, then we are in some kind of range. We might have continuation, then range again, and continuation. So this is like normal, okay? Because yeah, we got some kind of range over here. That's good. That's good. We might have a chance for continuation. So we need to find where the impulse started. I think it started right here because I cannot count this one because the price went up. They bounced from exponential moving average. So basically, starting from here, this impulse uh, broke through the exponential moving average and finishes over here. Now we got a little bit different situation. Maybe we're gonna change our measurements. Okay, doesn't matter. So starting from here to here, the pullback zone is in this area. But maybe we need to change it a little bit up to here. Mm, 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 mm. To be honest, right here, probably there was situation that we could open the trade because we had bullish micro rotation, correction, and this signal candle. So if any of you would open position in this place, probably should have already full take profit 2 to 1. Yes, 2 to 1 is done. But it doesn't matter. We still can try to get to the second leg measure move. I'm going to measure this impulse right here till this one because this is the highest point. Okay, we didn't get to, or maybe not. Sorry, no. Let's stick to this one. Sorry, guys. Okay, my mistake. So that was our pullback zone. The price already got to the pullback zone, and we can see strong, maybe not that strong, but we can see reaction. Okay. So this is our pullback zone. There was reaction at 38.2. That's good. So we had bullish rotation. That was the last rotation. Bullish rotation confirmed. Uh, we didn't have bearish rotation yet, because we are late to open the position and conditions may change. So in this case, I would prefer to wait for the uh, bearish rotation and then bullish rotation, and we can try again. Okay. So I don't want to re-enter the position because we're supposed to open it here. If we would open it here, we should be in profit. Okay, so trade done. So if we want to open the trade for continuation, we need to wait for bearish rotation. The best if we're gonna get somewhere around this area. That would be the best situation, perfect situation for me. Okay, so do you have any rotation channel? Let's find out. I got first two swings, and this doesn't look too good because the price is moving on the line right here. I don't want to change it because we should catch first two swings. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. We will see what's gonna happen. But there is a chance if we're gonna see bearish micro rotation and then reaction, there is a chance that we're gonna retest this trend line and we're gonna drop down. So are these conditions good for me? Not really. Not really. We might go up, but the timing for opening position is not right at this moment. No, we're gonna wait for bearish rotation. So we got at least 30 minutes time to decide if we want to open the trade or not. Later on, probably we won't around in about 45 minutes, maybe 1 hour. I will not open any trade because it's gonna be 1 hour to impact news, so we will have to hold. So if we want to find something, we need to find it now. Okay. So euro is looking pretty good, but we need reaction of buyers. There is some kind of double bottom. Some kind of double bottom. We will see. This is the support resistance zone, and the price you can see uh, went through, then retest again. They can't break through. So if we want to think about buying Euro USD, we need to wait for the price to get to the other side of the support resistance zone to break through the trend line, and then we're gonna open the position. That will be the perfect situation for me. At this moment, we need to wait because the price may still drop. So 15 minutes time frame is okay. We can jump into 5 minutes time frame for better entry. But first of all, we need to break through that support resistance zone. Okay. We are talking about all-in ASAP strategy. This is a trade from the morning. Basically, we will show you this MetaTrader 4. There is target, which is around from here. It will be around 38, 40 pips away. So there is a chance we're gonna get there, but according to um, rotation channel from 4 hour time frame, there is a chance that we're gonna drop to the bottom of this rotation channel, and then we're gonna go up, maybe. So that's how it looks like the higher time frame. Okay. So slowly, no rush. Today is Friday, so we need to be careful. Yesterday we had nice profit of $6,000. Let me just switch accounts. Not this one, sorry. Mm. Close positions yesterday, $7,000 of profit. Hi, Sebastian. Hello. So yeah, Euro USD. I'm looking at all-in ASAP strategy, and we need to wait for the price to break through. Then we're gonna talk about the target. So we need to leave it for now. Let's check not micro rotation, but price action cycle. This morning started with a trend, definitely. We have first leg, second leg, and then we got reset. Okay, if we got reset, what I mean, this is our first leg, this is our second leg, and because the price got to this level here we got reset, so change of direction probably. So let's check if we got second, third leg done. So this is the first leg. Second leg is not done yet. It's not done. We still can get there. Okay, so let's try to find rotation channel. Maybe we're gonna go for short. Why not? I'm not saying no. If I would sure that the price will definitely go 100% up, I would go all in. I would go all in. I'm gonna start from the bottom, probably like this. Okay, it's looking pretty good, pretty good. If this is first leg, we didn't get to the channel, but we got double top right here. Double top, and we might have continuation. We have bearish rotation, bearish, bearish. Let's check micro rotation from the morning. I think we had micro rotation right here. Bullish one, bearish was in this place. Down here, we can say that the bullish was here, bearish right here. Bullish not confirmed. This bullish is confirmed, okay? Which is good. We got a reaction of sellers. Double top. Let's go to 3 minutes time frame. Can I say strange setup? We could basically open the position now for to go down. It doesn't look too bad. But for this one, we'll go with lower risk for sure. This is the first leg. The second leg will be here, not too far. Second leg. 1 to 1.2. Not really. I prefer 1 to 2. doesn't look too bad because if we look at the chart, we bounce from support resistance zone. We are on the way to the second move, leg measure move. It's not that bad, I would say. Not that bad. Hmm. Okay, we got bearish rotation from 3 minutes time frame, which is confirmed basically because this candle over here. So this is confirmed. To be honest, it's too tight for me. I don't want to open the position. This is our measure move. We need strong reaction of sellers. If we're gonna see that reaction and we're gonna enter position somewhere here, we're gonna have 1 to 1. This setup is for me, it's a bit risky, and the risk to reward 1 to 1. No, because this is risky. If I can, if it's risky setup, I can like lower my risk to half, to less than half, 0.25% of account, so I can get half percent. But doesn't look too good for me. Okay, doesn't look too good. Let's check gold because cash market opens 3 minutes ago. Still nothing. You can see the breakout through the trend line, but I cannot see sellers. They stopped. They just stopped. Let's leave it for now. I need some more information here. We're gonna go up or down. I need some more information. At this moment, I cannot open position because I don't have enough space and it's looking. It's not the best setup, I would say. Mm, 5 minutes time frame. No, no. It's good that we got double top, but it doesn't mean we're gonna drop down. Nice reaction here, but you can see they stopped. Look at those candles. They just stopped over here. Because we got news later on, the market may slow down now. So we might move in some kind of range till 4 p.m. There is a chance that we're gonna see this kind of moves. Let's leave euro for the moment. Crude oil for me, it's looking crap, to be honest, because in the morning some kind of range, then drop, and look at this situation. They are going up and down, up and down. Buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. I don't want to join this fight. This is big fight, okay? It's like battlefield. I don't want to join them. Maybe later, if they're gonna move up or down, we might look for join spaghetti. Yes, yes, spaghetti. So yeah, for me, it looks like I don't want to say bad word, but it looks like crap for me. Mm, No, I don't even want to look for the range. There's no trend for sure. We are moving in the range today, but no, I don't like this one at all, and I will skip it straight away. What we got on S&P 500? Let's see Nasdaq and let's see Dow Jones. Dow Jones more range, but Nasdaq is looking pretty good. Nasdaq is looking pretty good. We might have a chance to open the position. Maybe. Let's check. So over here, I can see that we have a trend day for sure. The price was moving in bullish direction since morning. So let's find out where it started. It looks like it started right here. The highest point is over there. And our pullback zone, we got to the pullback zone, guys. This is our pullback zone. Okay. I'm not sure if we got any rotation channel. From the bottom, I cannot say yes, but let's grab the top. Maybe it will fit bottom. We had some rotation channels, but the price is breaking through. The price is breaking through, so we're still in pullback zone, all right? So we might have a chance for the trade, but we need to go back into the rotation channel. Then we're gonna look for the trade. We can add exponential moving average, that's for sure, like this. Let's look for some support resistance zone. Right here, we got some kind of support resistance zone, and the price just stopped at this support resistance zone, which is good. Because if they won't go lower, that's gonna be perfect, because this might be just fake breakout, okay? We need to check micro rotation since the morning, but I'm pretty sure we got bearish rotation. We are after bearish rotation, so we can expect bullish rotation in this area right here. But let's check it out since morning. Okay, here the price was moving in some kind of rotation channel, so I can leave it bullish one. Bearish one not confirmed. This one here is confirmed. Bullish, bullish, bullish. It's 5 minutes time. This rotation doesn't look too good, so I cannot say it's bullish rotation. Anyway, we are still in bearish rotation, so now we can expect bullish rotation. And let's look for that rotation. So what we need, we are in pullback zone. We are outside the rotation channel. This can be fake breakout, but the price stopped in a support resistance zone. So now, because we are looking for bullish rotation, we're gonna wait for bullish rotation breaking through this trend line, and we're gonna use one of our setups to enter the position with stop loss right here. We're gonna have plenty of space for second leg measure move, so we're gonna try to find it. But at this moment, I'm looking for this situation right here. If we're gonna break through the pullback zone, uh, we're gonna have to change direction probably. But let's leave it for now. Let's leave it. I don't like, I don't like the situation that the price is breaking through the rotation channel, because that can mean it's gonna be change of direction. Okay. Doesn't have to be like that. We still got some space. Even if we're gonna drop down here, we need bullish rotation. It might be strong because US index sometimes is moving very fast, but we need to go back into rotation channel, okay? The time is not our friend because we got 1 hour 30 minutes still news. Let's have a look at Canadian dollar because we had some news minute ago. Oh yes, look at that. Big drop. big drop of the price. Now we can only watch. We cannot trade during news, so let's leave it. How big was the drop? 31 pips. Not too big, but it's fine. Okay, so what we got? Gold is moving up. That's what I thought. Anyone who entered the position right in here, here should be position should be open. That was around 12 a.m. I didn't open it because I was doing something else, but here there was a chance to open the position. Bullish rotation, correction, and signal candle. You should be already. You should have 2 to 1 like this, or with the more safe option 1 to 1 already done. There is a chance for 2 to 1. Okay, so in both cases you should be in profit. Because we are late, we cannot do nothing. The only thing we can do is to look for the price to get to the second leg measure move. We can mark that on the charts. Oh no, oh no. So if the price will get to the second leg measure move, we can look for the pullback and third leg measure move after. But usually on Fridays, I do not trade that late. To be honest, after the session, probably I will stay back off the charts because it's Friday, can be crazy. And so Friday is okay in the morning, but later on, it's like not necessary. We are too late here, so there's nothing to do anyway. US 500 dropping down. Nasdaq. Nasdaq is breaking through the pullback zone. So if the price will stay under the pullback zone, probably we're gonna have change of direction. But we still got chance for Euro USD. 1.5 hour left. Not too much time, but if we're gonna break through, retest this support resistance zone, we're gonna try to go up. The only thing is we probably won't get to the target because of the time of news, 4 p.m. But maybe we can get a little bit from this move. We will see. Minus $0.5 stop loss. Where? Look at this. Crude oil. It's crazy today. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Crazy. Yeah, this one, no chance now. Probably we're gonna drop because pullback. The price got through that pullback. I'm not looking for continuation at this moment. So not we cannot use it. Think only chance in euro. Okay, guys, because there's nothing to do, to be honest. I'm not gonna say it's a nice day. We got nice setups. We're gonna open position. Probably not. For me at this moment, it's looking um, that doesn't look too good. All right, doesn't look too good. But guys, I want to show you something because you probably know MFA Traders. This is our partner of ALLinTraders. And also there is, let me just open the website. There is new products on MFA traders. You probably know the challenges, right? So first phase, second phase challenge, but here's something new. Instant accounts in MFA traders, guys. Because normal accounts, if you want to buy a challenge account, you can buy challenge account, you can get capital up to $250,000, but you need to pass two phases, phase one and phase two. Okay, first phase is challenge phase, second phase is verification phase, and then you can get capital for your investing. But now there's something new, instant account. Instant accounts, we got 6 different types of accounts. And if you want to buy any of these, let's say $1,000 for $44, that's your cost. And you are on you're on live account, not founded phase. You are on live account. Okay, for you pay $44, you got $1,000 for investing. You pay $433, you got $10,000 for investing. So you don't need to pass first phase, you don't need to pass second phase. You jump straight into live account, and conditions are very similar to challenges account. Starter accounts are 3.5% daily drawdown and maximum drawdown of 7%. If you click on advanced, this will change daily drawdown for 5%, maximum drawdown 10%, like on normal accounts. And executive offer is a maximum drawdown of 12%. So if you need more space for your mistakes, you can choose the executive type of account. So these are live accounts. So you don't need to pass challenges. You jump straight into live account, and if you make any profits, you can withdraw money. Yes, but the minimum withdraw is 1%. Okay, so you need to make at least 1% of this account to place withdraw, and withdrawals are every 7 days. So you don't have to wait too long. I think it's pretty good option because I used to struggling to get uh, one of the accounts, and now it's completely different. You can jump straight into a live account and you can make profits from the first day, from your first trade. So I think this is pretty cool. This is something new. The prices probably, I think they already changed. No, I think they are the same, but from Monday, probably the prices will change. So if you would like to buy one of these accounts, you need to hurry up because probably on Monday the prices will be different. Okay. So check those accounts. If you go to mfatraders.com, you will find them at the bottom of the page. Accounts. Uh, Remember to look for 3 different types of accounts. Okay. I think this is pretty cool. Okay, you open position on Euro USD. Not the best idea. That's why I'm not sure what you were trying to do for the second leg. If yes, you shouldn't enter the position uh, because of rotation. Okay, because of rotation. That wasn't the best moment to enter. Maybe now we're gonna have a chance, but we got only hour 20 minutes left. So if I'm gonna open a position, probably I will have to close it before the news. Maybe in loss, who knows? So for me, I don't think I'm gonna place any trade before news. To be honest, I got $6,000 from yesterday, $7,000 from yesterday. So we got already this month. Today is the 5th. This month we got already $13,000 in profit. So I need to make another $37,000 because that is my goal for December till 17th. Okay. To do that, I don't need too many trades. To be honest, 3 good trades, and I will make another $30,000 with the risk 1 to 2. So 3 trades. I don't need to open positions every 5-10 minutes. It doesn't make sense. Pick your best setup, open only one position, choose the best one, and trust me, you will thank me later. Okay? Do not open 5, 10, 20 trades, 100 trades. Pick one a day. Trust me, if you're gonna stick to one trade per day, you will see the difference because you're gonna wait for one best setup. You won't open position if you are not sure because you're gonna think, okay, I'm not sure, so I will wait for the next one. If you don't have that limit, you're gonna see the setup, something's gonna be wrong, but you're gonna say, okay, I will try, okay, I will try. And you're gonna hit stop loss. Next trade, okay, I will try. And maybe you will try to recover from those losses. And this is like the mechanism that will pull you down. You don't want to do that. So one trade per day. If you're gonna hit stop loss, stay back. No revenge trading. No recovery from losses. Take profit or stop loss. That's it. Only the best setups. Trust me, you will thank me later. Okay, guys. I don't think I'm gonna hold you any longer because I'm not gonna open position for sure. We got news in about hour and 15 minutes. Crude oil is looking very bad. Uh, you can see what happened on US 500, on Dow Jones, Nasdaq. They dropped down. Okay, so maybe one of the spike setups, but today is Friday, so maybe better stay away. And we got euro, which is looking good, but because we got some news later, it might be a little bit risky. Unless the price, during the news, maybe something like this will happen. And after the news, like 15 minutes or 30 minutes after, if I'm going to see this situation, I can open the trade. But I don't think I'm going to look at that time for the trade. So probably not. Probably after the session, I will close all my charts and stay back for now. Next week, we got some more time starting from Monday. Slowly, we're gonna pick one setup a day, a good setup, and that's it, guys. You don't need to open 100 positions, like you can see. Think on this account. Let me just check. This was done in 2 trades or 3. I can't remember now. These were 3 trades, yes. USD JPY, USD CHF, and gold. Look, 3 trades, only $13,000. 3 trades. The third and the fourth. So only 2 days we placed the trades, and then we got very nice profit. What can I say? Only the best setups, but I don't see any losses here because we picked only the best setups. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today. Sorry, I couldn't open the position, but the conditions are no good for me because of the news. I'm not playing anymore today. Good. Take a break, relax, guys. We got weekend coming, so try to clear your mind, try to relax, do something for yourself, do something for your family. And on Monday, we're going to go back into the charts and we're going to do it again. We're going to look for the best setups. So, guys, thank you for today, and I will see you on Monday. Have a great weekend and good luck with your trades. Take care.